What if I told you that your blood sugar could be normal on paper, but still putting you at risk? Most Americans are told one simple range for blood sugar and assume it applies to everyone. But here's the problem: blood sugar changes with age, and using the wrong reference can lead to missed prediabetes, delayed action, and long-term damage. That's why so many people in the US say, "My doctor said it's fine," until it isn't. Let's clear up the confusion. First, understand this: there is no single, normal, blood sugar number that fits every age. For adults under 40, fasting blood sugar is ideally 70 to 90 mg per deciliter. After meals, it should stay below 120 mg per deciliter. For adults 40 to 60, fasting levels often drift higher. Anything consistently over 95 mg per deciliter fasting is a warning sign. After meals, staying under 130 mg per deciliter is a healthier target. For adults over 60, doctors may say higher numbers are acceptable, but that doesn't mean optimal. Fasting blood sugar above 100 mg per deciliter often signals insulin resistance. Post-meal levels regularly hitting 140 mg per deciliter are not harmless. Here's where most Americans get it wrong. They hear, under 100 is normal, and stop paying attention. But research shows that risk starts increasing long before diabetes numbers appear, especially as we age. Blood sugar doesn't suddenly become a problem at 126. It rises slowly, silently, year after year. The smarter approach is to track patterns, not just one number. Ask yourself, is my fasting blood sugar creeping up each year? Do my post-meal numbers stay elevated longer than before? Is my A1C slowly increasing, even if it's still normal? For most adults in the US, the goal should be optimal, not just acceptable. Fasting blood sugar closer to 85 to 95. Post-meal spikes returning to baseline within 2 hours. A1C ideally below 5.5, not just under 5.7. Catching these trends early is how people avoid prediabetes and long-term complications. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like the video, it helps more people see it. And if you want clear, simple explanations about blood sugar and metabolic health, subscribe to the channel. Your future health depends on what you understand today.